Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new project. um, this house is sinking on this corner. I don't know if you can see that windowsill. It's leaning towards this side. So what we will do is open this wall so we can work, and also remove this stone veneer in front, because inside there is no space to work. You can see later once we open it. And then we will check the foundation, and later on I will rent a jack to jack this one so we can level the house. This house is in a historical area, and it's a two-story. See this house? You can repair this house, but it should be the same as it is. You paint it the same color, or the color around this neighborhood. All of these houses are like this. It's a historical place here in Los Angeles. So we will start by removing this veneer wall. We are done removing this stone veneer, and just clean up and look at that is the one we removed from here. So tomorrow we will open the bottom of this one, and we will see what's going on this foundation. It's see, they put the veneer without removing that bottom part of the siding. That's why it's all dry rotted and eaten by termites. But I don't see any live termite for now. But tomorrow we will remove the siding and see inside what is going on. The reason why we are removing this is we cannot work underneath. It's only I think it's only like 12 inches the crawl space there. So we will remove this and see what's going on. As you can see there, you see there is a sign of subterranean there, like that one. So this one is not good to to cover with cement and dirt, especially that wood. You see that wood? It's like below the ground, and then there's a planters here. So every time they sprinkle, they turn on the sprinkler, the water, every time it rains, the water seep in between the cement and the wood. So just go down there, and it take time for the water to escape because it's covered with cement. See, and then of course from here this termite, the subterranean termite, can crawl up here. Like this one, there is a sign of the subterranean termite that go up here, like that one. You see, that is the sign of maybe every once in a while they call a termite inspector to treat this one. That's why they look like all dead. But we will see. We will fix this one. I will rent a jack to level this house, and then we will change all this one and raise the foundation here, minimum of 6 to 8 inches above ground on this area what we are working. So so we are done for today, and tomorrow I will make another video once I open all this siding. look at what happened to this the supposed to be the mud seal there, because it's too low. So we are raising it up, and I will put the 3x6 pressure treated, and look at what happened. It's all eaten by subterranean termite. So what we do is put a underpinning, here and in the corner, but unfortunately the old foundation is too soft. It collapsed and fell down, so we changed a new one. But like here, we can do that underpinning. As you can see, the ground is settling down, and that's why there's a crack there. So the underpinning is minimum, it's a minimum of 12 inches thick, something like that. And then later on we will just reinforce this one. Important thing is you have underpinning on the corner, and approximately every 6 feet, like that. And then later on we will just change all this eaten, the wood that eaten by termite there. So in a few days, once the concrete is strong enough, I will rent a jack to raise this, to level this house. You see, that's the cause of subterranean termite, and some are drywood termite. So today we will pour concrete on this one. So we are done pouring these three location. Over here, my guys over did it. I only told them just 3 inches above the bottom of the footing or foundation, but they go up to here. They use too much cement. So that is the first one, and this is the second one. Yeah, we use, and then the other one they over here. Yeah, and we use 2 pallet like 70 bag. That is about 2 yards. Yeah. So today's Friday. We'll be back till Monday. Monday, and Monday this we can use this to support this corner and the middle of that house over there. Then we will do the in between.
Big cam, big cam and stuff. I don't want that, so take that out. Put L6 in there. Electronic transmission.
Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching.